Hi, I am Shakti Chaturvedi, and this is a quick demo of my project, the Multi-Zone Intrusion Detector using the computer vision and object tracking. It detects and tracks the intrusion in the user-defined zones from any surveillance video. So let's start with it. The system is modularized to key components. Detection.py file handles the object detection. Tracking.py file implements the short tracker. Zones.py defines and manages zones. Utils.py contains the helper functions. And the last is the drone drop zonegui.py provides an interface to draw zones and same draw zones.py work. But in that we have used the Tinker kit and in this a normal Tinker using simple dialog. So everything is orchestrated from main.py. Let's start with it. So in the terminal, let's start defining the intrusion zones. Firstly, I am running the creating the zone by choosing a particular video. As you can see, it is coming here, and I am drawing a zone. So here it is done, and I have finished it. Let's say I am giving it a name polygon and save the zone. As you can see, the zone is saved and I am exiting. So here in the zones or .json file, my polygon shapes are added. And after that, once the zone are set, we will run the main.py file. So as you can see, I am running the main.py file. It starts processing the video. After some time, using YOLO V8 and track them using short and flag objects, entering predefined zones. As you can see here in the top left side, the ID, the timing, entry or exit, and the polygon name is coming, and it is giving us the top 5 entry or exits, and it is changing continuously. So each intrusion is logged in the real time including zones, object ID and timestamp. The data can later be extended for notification or logs. So as you can see, the system is cleanly modularized. Detection.py loads the YOLO model, tracking.py updates the object track, and zones.py checks the intrusion, and main.py connects it all together. So after that, I am pressing the Q to exit, and here you can see in the log folder events.csv we have saved our IDs, object IDs that are exit or enter in a particular polygon. So after that, you can see the readme file as given here, and it is the steps to run the project. Firstly, install the requirement.txt. Firstly, clone the repo and then install requirements.txt file. Then run python roam drawzone.gui.py or python drawzone.py file. So that's it. The multi-zone intrusion detector, a robust real-time system using detection, tracking, and zone analytics. Thanks for watching.